No-shows are silent killers. Every missed call, ghosted appointment, it adds up. In this video, I'll show you how we cut no-shows in half by automating confirmations and rescheduling, all done without the need of a human. I run Sonar AI, and we help businesses stop chasing clients and instead start automating results. And if you want this for your business, I do offer free consultations. Link down in the description. And now, let's dive in. All right, so starting perhaps with some numbers. When it comes to no-show cost for US businesses, that accounts for $26 billion annually, and the general average when it comes to businesses from missed appointments is actually ranging between 15 to 30%. And if we want to tame this or perhaps improve, it's been shown that automated solutions actually increase show rates by 70%, because we're engaging more the leads that, or potential clients or prospects that might be showing up otherwise to the business. And now, to work through this, it's a case of missed calls, missed appointments, missed business, honestly. A potential way to counter that would be to use automated systems that handle that for you. So that means that you can set it, quote unquote, and forget it, where you use AI agents that have human-like voices that are able to confirm, set appointments, reschedule, answer FAQs, so anything that might come across as repetitive. Of course, if there are any, let's say, questions or queries that are a bit more advanced, there is always the possibility to redirect to an actual human. So let's say that can cut a lot of the manual and boring repetitive tasks. And that comes with the fact that it has very natural conversational language. We actually will go and watch now how it looks like. And it's 24/7. So it's always working at the same time, operational 365. So it's pretty convenient also for after hours. Now, I think it's a good time to have a look at how this looks like. Built a quick, I built a quick agent here with retail just to give you an idea of how a company could set up the system for it to confirm, for example, a user that just signed up or they received an email and we want to just engage them, and we need to create these touch points for them to just increase the likelihood of showing up. So we need to nudge the users. Yeah, so I have this very simple agent that is in this case for a real estate company. And yeah, I think we can just quickly give it a try. Hey there.
Hi, this is Emma from Vista Homes. Is this Mo?
Yeah, that's me.
I'm following up on your interest in one of our listings. Just wanted to check if you had any questions or if you'd like to book a quick viewing with Marco.
Yeah, I was wondering if you have more listings or similar listing to this one.
Vista Homes offers a variety of residential and commercial properties throughout Rome and Milan, specializing in modern urban apartments and energy-efficient homes. Do you have a specific type of property or location in mind?
No, not really. I was just asking. I think we could go ahead and schedule an appointment.
Great. Could you let me know a specific weekday and time between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Europe Rome time that works best for you?
Are there any availabilities today, perhaps?
Let me check the availability for today. It looks like there are no available slots for today. Would you like to pick another day this week?
Yeah, perhaps let's do next Monday at 3 p.m.
Let me check the availability for next Monday at 3 p.m. Next Monday at 3 p.m. is available. Shall I go ahead and book it for you?
Yeah, please.
I'll book your appointment for next Monday at 3 p.m. Perfect Your Viewing is confirmed for next Monday at 3 p.m. It'll send a confirmation email now and a reminder before the visit. Anything else I can help with?
No, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, and let's close it. Okay, good. So as you can see, we have our appointment for next Monday at 3 p.m. booked. All of this automatic. This was not a real human. This was an agent that we built. So this can be pretty efficient in order to do all this repetitive task, which would have taken a lot of back and forth for a human to go and check a calendar and get back. Yeah, so that was a quick illustration. I think when it comes to any business that might want to improve their show up rate, these agents, and not only like voice agents, I think also paired up with SMS automation or WhatsApp automation or email automation, can really improve the show up rate of businesses being interested in improving this metric. Okay, yeah, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this quick video presentation. And if you want to have an idea of how this could look like in your business, please, there is a link in the description below. I offer free consultations. And if you want to work with us, same thing there. It's all in the description. Cool. With that said, thanks a lot and see you in the next one.